Hello, welcome to this video from Iress, where today I'm going to show you how to run a quick mortgage quote using the XPM system. So once you have logged in, on the left hand side of the dashboard you have the overview section, and this is what we're going to concentrate on today, is the quick mortgage quote. So just by selecting that, it takes you into a new screen where you can put your requirements in and the details around the client that you are looking for the information. So there are some asterisks that have to be completed before you can go forward, but a lot of the information is pre-filled just to allow you to get that quick quote. But of course you can make the amendments as you see fit. So you have your mortgage purpose. If it was a remortgage or second charge, we'll leave it as purchase for today. You also have the option for the loan type, be it a buy-to-let or a residential, and then also the payment method. You will need to just place in the term that you're looking for. There are values already selected in, but of course you can amend them as you see fit. Note that if you do make any changes to the deposit or the loan to value is going to change for you as well. You do have the option to select certain rates that you want to include. Very easy to deselect or select them all, and then you can select the term associated with that rate that you're looking for, and then also at the bottom you've got your panels that you are able to search from today. So that's the only information that you'll need to place in to get the results, and the results will be on the next screen. So at the bottom right you've got source. So this then is giving you all the results, all the lenders, which is sorted via the initial rate. If you wanted to change how your results are displayed, you can do that through the options on the right hand side, which you have your sourcing preferences. So for example, if you wanted to source it via total to pay, you can do that through there. But here are the results today. The symbols on the right hand side, we have the green, which are multi-channel, blue, which are exclusive, and then it will show you who they are exclusive to, and then the black are your intermediary products. As you could see then, by selecting the different products, they will alternate on the left hand side. You can drill further into these products. At the bottom you have the option to show the fees, so the proc fees that are associated with that particular product, any early repayment charges, dates, and then the fees that are associated again with that product. A little bit further up you can show you what fees can be added to the actual loan. So you've got your results on the right hand side, 970. Back to the left hand side, next to the product you've got your loan details. So if you wanted to make a change to maybe the type of rate preferences that you're looking for, say you want to look for fixed, say you wanted to make an amendment to include overpayments, and you wanted to remove any stepped products, you can do that within these sections at the top. Once you've made the necessary changes, just resource at the bottom. This is then going to take those changes into consideration and then give you a new set of results. Also just wanted to highlight at the bottom, you do have the calculator option, where what this will do is give you a overpayment calculator, showing you by making regular overpayments how much this is going to save your client over a certain period of time and how much interest they're going to save. You can also do that with a term change, so obviously by decreasing it, how many years and interest you'll save. There is also a rate change, so if the rate was to go up, how much will they have to budget, and if the rate's going to go down, how much will they save. And then finally, you've got a payment matrix. So if someone is just really looking to get an idea of how much a monthly payment is going to be, depending on how much they're borrowing against the rates, you can easily give them an indicative idea of that. And this can be also printed off along with all the other calculators. So that's just a quick overview showing you how to get some quick results using Xplan Mortgage. Hopefully you found that useful. Please also look out for other videos which we have showing you how to get the most out of the system. Thank you.